Good day, it's Miss Hake back with another Minds On. Time to activate our brains. All right, we've been studying a lot about our names. Hey, names and brains. Look at that. Miss Hake has her name tag, and I went to my name folder, and I got it. So, now that we've been creating our name folders, that's amazing. Uppercase letter is my H. I know that because I've been studying it a lot. I know that it has two straight lines and a straight line across. Well, for your Minds On today, boom, I'm going to put up 3-minute counter. A 3-minute counter. You have 3 minutes to go and find two things that have the first letter of your name in it and bring it back. Are you ready? 3-minute counter coming up in 3, 2, 1, go.